Okay, boys and girls, we have collected all of our insects from outside, right? And you know what? When I was coming inside the classroom, I saw this one. So I just grabbed it and put it in a little box too. This is an ant and a dragonfly, grasshopper, butterfly, ladybug, praying mantis, bee, and a caterpillar. So thank you, boys and girls, for helping me collect all these insects outside. And now I want to tell you something. Remember I said I was going to tell you why the caterpillar is an insect? Well, you have to have some requirements. You can't just be an insect just because you want to be an insect. So let's find out those requirements, okay? All right. Okay, so like I said before, you need to have requirements if you want to be a bug, an insect, right? So here's what you need to have. If you want to be an insect, you need to have 3 main body parts. What does that mean? That means you need to have a head, and this part right here is called the thorax, and this last part on the back is called the abdomen. So you have to have 3 main body parts: a head, a thorax, and an abdomen. Okay, that's very important. Now, you also need to have 6 legs. Can you help me count the legs on this ant? Here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 3 body parts, 6 legs. Okay. You also need to have antennae. This is your antennae right here. Or these are also called the feelers, right? This is how they communicate, okay, with the antennae. Okay. So 3 main body parts: head, thorax, abdomen, 6 legs, antennae, and also eyes. Look at these big eyes on the ant. Those big eyes are called compound eyes. We as humans, we have simple eyes. Okay, what does that mean? A simple eye is just one single eye that we have to be able to see. I mean, we actually have 2, right? But actually, insects have many, many, many tiny little eyes inside that huge round eye. It's called ommatidia. Can you say that? Ommatidia, right? So they have many, many, many tiny little eyes inside there. So it's not just, it looks like one big eye, but inside there, there's so many little eyes. Okay? Just like the bee right here. You see that? Okay, look at those big eyes. These are compound eyes. Okay? All right. So what else you need to be? You need to have to be an insect. Now, what is the difference between this ant and the bee? The bee has 3 body parts: a head, a thorax, and an abdomen. It has 6 legs. It has antennae. It has jaws, right? The jaws right there on the bottom. You see them? And the ant also has jaws right there. You see them? Okay. But look, what are these called? These are wings, right? Now, not all insects have wings. Okay, some of them do, some of them don't. Okay, for instance, the ladybug has wings, but you just can't see them, right? But they are inside the exoskeleton of an insect. Okay, an exoskeleton is like the bony part of the insect, but it's on the outside. We as humans have endoskeletons. That means that our skeleton, our bones are inside our body. But insects have those bones on the outside. So they have an exoskeleton. Okay? All right. So now let's look at our friend right here. All right. Well, look at this caterpillar. Let me show you something. This caterpillar has a head. It's right here. This is the head of the caterpillar. Okay? Now, this part right here, from here to here, this is the thorax. And from here to all back here is the abdomen. You see that? So it has a head, thorax, and an abdomen. And guess what? It has 6 legs. Can you see them right there? Let's count the legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It has 6 legs. These are called true legs. Okay? These ones back here, they're not true legs. All right? So that's why a caterpillar is a type of insect. All right.